So I was mowing and I hit a big rock, and now the mower won't start. I'm 99% sure what the problem is, but this time I thought I'd film it. I've done this a few times over the years, so let's dig into it. First thing I want to do is check the blade and make sure I didn't crack the blade. Okay, the blade looks okay. It's got a little nick down here, but you notice that it's off. It's not centered on this plate, so we need to take that off and recenter it. Alright, we'll take the spark plug wire off so I don't get any negligent discharge. This one happens to be 5/8. I think you can see there where it hit. I'll need to resharpen that, but I'm not going to do it right now. Okay, let's get it back on there straight. Much better. Okay. Now the fun part. Okay, we'll take this top cover off. Move it back out of the way. Then we got to take this whole section off. They're actually 8 millimeter. Those. And what we're trying to do here is get to the rotor. It's what determines the timing for the engine, and on it is a key, which you'll see in a minute, and it is meant to break away. This is the oil shaft. It should just pull out of there a little bit, and you can push it back out of the way. Okay, now we got to get this cover off, this tin. Why that won't come off? We'll turn it over or something. Two in the back, two in the front, looks like. Okay, got a wrench for this one. And we get it out of there. Get this shield off. And here's what we got to take off. You can see that nut in there. There we go. Okay, you can see in there, there's a keyway right here. There's no key in it. There's the key. Notice it's sheared off. That's what it's supposed to do. When you hit something hard, it disengages and keeps you from breaking this. Because I have broken one of these before. Just sheared the whole thing out. But you get a good breakable key, that doesn't happen. Alright, let me get the rest of the key out of there. And then we got a replacement we can put in. There we go. Get that out of there. There's the other part of it. Get a replacement key. You buy these in lots. I usually buy 10 of them at a time. I got 2 left. I bought 10 of them. I should say I bought 10 of them at a time. I bought 10 of them about 10 years ago, and I got 2 left. And I've got 2 or 3 motors that this one works on. I got a really rocky yard, so I do this occasionally. Here's our new key. It's made out of some sort of alloy. Alright, I'm going to press the engine stop and put a bungee cord around it so that it will stay out of my way. I was trying to do in the first place. Got the key down in there. That piece back on. This piece back on. Like so. And put it back together. It helps if you put the spark plugs back in.